Okay, how to replace or clean your mass airflow sensor on the E38. This is a 1999 750IL, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it. So I just removed it right now. Okay, so you're gonna use this mass airflow sensor cleaner, and you can use this throttle body and air intake cleaner. This is like $7 at Walmart. So we're gonna use this one for the mass airflow sensor, and we're gonna use this one to clean the throttle body, which is right here. Cleaning this mass airflow sensor and cleaning the throttle body is going to help you guys if your car is really jerky or the RPMs keep on jumping up and down at idle. And basically, if your car isn't really like idling smooth, clean these out. And in this case, we got 2 mass airflow sensors and throttle bodies, and your car is going to be running smoother than ever. So this is the cheapest way to go if you want to test the waters and see if your mass airflow sensor is dirty or if you got to replace it, you know. So might as well just clean it first to see if it actually helps the car run better, or if it doesn't, then that's when you know you got to replace your mass airflow sensor. So start off with $7 out of your pocket to get things running. If they don't work, then just step up and spend a little bit more cash. This car actually has 2 mass airflow sensors, one here on the right and one here on the left. So you got to get 2 of these. So if you want to replace them, this is how you do it. You literally just need a screwdriver. This is your air filter right here. You have to open this up right here with a screwdriver. Pop that open. Pop this side open. Boom. Then we're going to unscrew this piece right here. Make it loose. And then make this one loose up here. And your throttle body is going to be right there. Your throttle body is right there. So you can clean that while at it. Disconnect this sensor right here. It just spins off. And you can start removing this just like that. This literally just pops out. So it's already got this one popped out. It's really simple. This is your mass airflow sensor. You can replace this and buy a new one. It's made from Bosch. And your mass airflow sensor is in there. That little metal right there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get some spray cleaner and spray that down. Okay, so we're gonna use the spray can to clean that sensor in here. You're gonna simply just spray it down, and that's basically it. Clean that real good. Get it nice and clean, man. Now we're gonna close it up, attach back this hose, and then we're gonna get our mass airflow sensor that's over here. We let it here to dry out, and just remember to let it dry out before you connect it. To put it back, you can tell right here, there's a little arrow right there, goes inside here, and this end that looks like a honeycomb goes here. So let's connect it. Now we're gonna clamp it and get our little sensor that is right here, connect it, twist it on, and now I recommend you guys to leave your little cables down here so you guys could literally tie them up quick and easy from up here. Oh, tighten this one up and tighten this one up. All right, there you have it. We got them both connected. Clean the throttle body. I had to change this out from here because this one got stripped up, so you know how to put a little thicker one so it could hold longer. So now let's turn on the car and let's see how it idles.